As a national high-tech enterprise, Shenzhen SONKA Medical Technology Company Limited commits to developing and manufacturing medical examination device solutions such as height and weight scales, health checkup kiosk and body composition analyzer. Telemedicine kiosk solution includes height, weight, BMI, body temperature, body composition, blood pressure, blood oxygen, arteriosclerosis, ECG, blood sugar, uric acid, cholesterol, hemoglobin, urine, ultrasound scanner, and strives to become the best provider of comprehensive chronic disease and health management solutions in China. Since SONKA's establishment in 2003, SONKA employees have been dedicated to making contributions to disease prevention and healthy living of all human beings. While the enterprise culture of SONKA is innovation, development, high quality, teamwork, and transparency, SONKA Medical's products have obtained 110 patents. Over the years, SONKA has developed over 30 products with independent intellectual property rights. SONKA's products are widely applied in hospitals, communities, gyms, and healthcare centers, as well as exported to Europe, America, Africa, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. SONKA has dominated the domestic medical examination device market. SONKA Medical Company Limited is a governing unit of China Healthcare Association and a member of China Association for Standardization. In 2012, SONKA passed the ISO 13485 certification. All SONKA products have passed the detections of General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection and Quarantine of the People's Republic of China. SONKA are willing to cooperate with customers around the world and counterparts from all areas.